WTF is cooking, Food Adventures of a Comfort Cook, Mary Kokenauer, and today we're going to be doing dicing onions. Remember that first video I did with the meat sauce, and I was dicing onions? But I wasn't speaking, I was just figured, hey, you just watch what I'm doing, you'll figure it out. No, got complaints. Why weren't you talking? Why didn't you explain what you were doing? Okay, so guess what? That's what we're going to do right now. So let's go over to the counter, and I'm going to show you how to dice an onion. How to dice an onion. First, you want to try to take off as much of the skin as possible. Throw that away. We're going to cut off the top half. The top end, I mean. We're going to cut off the top end. And what we want to do is, do not cut off the root. We're going to just cut this down the center. So you're going to get two halves. Pull off. Now you can pull off the skin. Alright, and leave the root end on. We're going to discard that. Alright, so on our board, so we have a sharp knife. We're going to cut lengthwise down to the root, but don't cut through the root. Turn it, and we're going to put some slits. Just a few. And since the onion has basically some lines going through it, you can use it as a guide on where to cut your slits. Alright. Keep your fingers tucked in. We don't want your nails and the tips of your fingers cut off. And now start dicing. See how those small, look at, as it breaks apart, you've got small dices of onions. And what you can do, what I usually do, is I'll get onions when they're on sale, dice them up, slice them up, julienne them, and I'll put them in the freezer. Now here's your root end. Just toss that aside. Alright, look at that. All little pieces of onion there. Now we're going to put these in a freezer bag. They'll last about 6 months. Now you see this opening on your wooden board? Or maybe you use that hard plastic. Everybody says, oh, here's my handle. No, you don't. It's not just a handle. We've got our baggie opened up. Keep it open inside a bowl there. And now, start putting your diced onions through that handle hole. And it's going right into your baggie. You can do this with red onions, purple onions, your basic white. You label the bag. We'll put the date on it when we're done. But look, all the onions in the bag, not all over the counter. Alright, put that aside. We'll show it to you one more time. Take our onion. We've already removed our skin. Just lengthwise. Down the middle. Follow the lines of the onion itself. You can see all the lines in there. Keep those fingertips, nails in, and start dicing away with your very sharp knife. All the way down. Now when you cut those little lines in there before, you didn't cut down to the root end. So your root end is going to be intact. Throw it away. Alright, there's all your onions. All nicely chopped. Okay, they're falling apart. Look at it, they're falling apart. So I've got a small dice there. Here's my bowl with the baggie inside. And put that there. And just, once again, through the handle hole here. And they're all going right into the bag. Alright, here's our onions. Now if you're going to put it in the freezer, pat it down a bit. Get it flat, because this is going to get ice in it. If you have too much air in there, you're just going to have a solid mass of ice instead of just onions. And it'll be difficult to get them apart later on. Squeeze it. This is a Ziploc freezer bag. Lay it into your freezer flat, so it will freeze flat. Then you take out what you need when you want it. And that's how you dice onions.